Introducing the closest thing to real street racing in Metro Detroit. It's the construction season slot car racing set, where you'll see your tax dollars not at work, only a bunch of lane closures, but nobody actually working or constructing anything. But when traffic is moving, hammer down on the straightaways. Mind your braking through the turns. Switch lanes to overtake your opponent. It's digital, so you control the action. Negotiate the lane shifts. Run your opponent off the road. Brake check other drivers. You can be the biggest a-hole on the road, but beware of the traffic slowdowns. Survive the road hazards and other drivers, and you could find yourself in the winner's circle. Only from Blammo!